Welcome back, you guys. As you can see by the title, we got another keyboard video. I got some new keycaps. You probably hear from TikTok, like you guys always are, because that's how I got like all my subs. Shout out to you guys. We're gonna be using this, doing a review on it, and ASMR and stuff. These keycaps feel so nice off the start. Like if you just feel, it's just so soft. Like texture is so smooth and nice. So enough with talking about the keyboard. Let's actually get some gameplay in with it. The first thing we got is an ASMR. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. I know it wasn't that long, it was only like a minute or two. It's just I want to make a quick little video. These things are on Amazon. They're like 15 to 20 bucks. They're called the Sunset keycaps. Look them up. They're really nice. Definitely would recommend them. They're amazing. Like, I'm not even just saying that just to say that. Like, with this red tracking keyboard, like I said it was super good and stuff. It's not really that good. Like, I hate the red switches on it because they're like mushy. Like, maybe they sound pretty good, but they're like mushy almost. Because I think it's Red Dragon who made these red keycaps. I'm getting the switches. So I'm getting a switch puller soon. And then I might order some, like, new switches and put them on this thing. But yeah, besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did and it was pretty good, just make sure you drop a like and a sub. It would really mean a lot. Trying to hit 200 subs. I haven't checked in a minute. I was at like 180 something last time, so we're 20 away. So come on. Peace out, guys.